It was 2 years ago today, the CDC confirmed the first U.S. coronavirus case. Fast forward to today, and more than 160,000 Americans are hospitalized with COVID, a new pandemic high. And this is all happening as Omicron is still going strong. Let's bring in ABC News medical contributor and chief innovation officer at Boston Children's Hospital, Dr. John Brownstein. All right, Doc, 2 years later, and hospitalizations are hitting a new record with more than 800,000 deaths now from COVID right here in the United States. What does this mean for the future of the virus as we move forward?
You know, Kira, this is really, a challenging sort of record number that we're dealing with right now. We have vaccines, therapeutics, better care and testing. We're in a much better position than when we first discovered this virus, yet with all this innovation, we're still dealing with millions of cases, tens of thousands of people in hospitals, deaths. It's a lot. And that's because we've had this Omicron variant that we never really would have predicted. It's the most transmissible variant. And even if it's more mild, it's just creating sheer pressures on our health systems. We are seeing hopeful signs. We're peaking in many places. But we have to remember, on the other side of that sort of slope, we're going to see a lot more infections, a lot more people in hospitals. And so we still have to keep our guard up right now, just in these sort of final moments of Omicron. Of course, we don't know what the future holds. But for now, we have to deal with this particular variant in front of us.
We still sort of want to kind of try and figure out the future. We all watched that virtual event for the World Economic Forum. Dr. Anthony Fauci says that we'll never be able to completely eliminate COVID, but hopefully moving into the future, it will be at such a low level that it doesn't disrupt our social and economic interactions with each other. I mean, when could we actually get to that point, you think?
Yeah, I think we're heading there. We're heading to a place where we're going to live with this virus. And I know many people want to declare victory in the pandemic. That's not going to happen until we vaccinate the billions of people that still are yet to be vaccinated. It's not going to happen until, of course, we get our younger kids vaccinated. I think we're getting there, and I think this spring will look much better than where we're at right now. And I think we will have a different sort of view of this pandemic, or as it becomes more endemic, as we've spoken about so many times. But that new normal is going to look different. There's going to be masking, vaccination mandates, testing, all these tools that, public health has pulled together. I think we're going to see those recur as we see new variants emerge, and we have to deal with surges going forward. I think that is unfortunately going to be somewhat part of our new normal going forward.
Dr. John Brownstein, always good to talk to you. Have a great weekend. Great to see you, John.
Thanks, Kira.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.